What's up, guys? And today we're going to customize a remodel experiment. So what's going on with Rainmeter? We are remodeling using Rainmeter. Here it is. And since for some, it's always check because we are on Rainmeter at startup. So let's install and one Rainmeter. Oh, here we go. Oh man. Oh whoa. The same is over here. This is getting real. This is getting real. It's on Rainmeter, so it starts on the board. You guys see? There we go. Go to layouts. Alright. Now we go to system. Welcome. We go to clock. As in we'll disable that. You guys see? Edit. If we move around a little bit, you guys see? Alright guys, when I start recording this, you're going to completely remodel and it's done. 10 minutes later. Alright, we are remodel and customization. See, we like it's updated now. You guys see? The fire button also different as well. You guys see? This fire button is also different. You guys see? So that's a modification experiment.